They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like so.
Hey guys, it's Melina, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to do an aerial. This is one of my most requested videos of all time, and I completely understand why, because aerials are so much fun and such a cool trick. But the request I got that made me want to do this video was this one, which I got on my community tab, which I have recently started using. So if you want to check that out, you can. And it made me want to do another tumbling video, so thank you to that person. The aerial was a pretty hard skill for me to get, and it took me about 4 or 5 months or so. But I know it's a skill that a lot of people struggle with, so hopefully this tutorial will help you. And with that, let's get started. So before you start, make sure you have some water and that your hair won't be bothering you. If you're at home, you can tumble on grass, but if you have one, it's always safer to use a mat. It's essential to always stretch before tumbling so that you don't hurt yourself, and you can follow this short stretching routine if you want to.
Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos.
The only thing you need before doing an aerial is a one-handed cartwheel and some prior tumbling experience. I'm a lefty, so this is what a left aerial looks like, and this is what a right aerial looks like. In the aerial, you want to have a really high hurdle and then go straight down on your leg, pushing off as much as possible, and then snapping your other leg down so you can get up from the aerial. When you first start learning though, it's much easier to have your hands and fists and your arms pulled into you because it will give you more height. It's better to try it with a spot before you try it by yourself, so first try it with a one-handed cartwheel. The spot is just going to push you up by your waist. By the way, thank you Oscar for spotting me. When you do start trying the aerial by yourself, you can use a crash mat or make a crash mat using some pillows. It definitely helps because you will fall. A problem that so many people face is a mental block where you just can't seem to keep your hands off the ground the whole time. It's so frustrating, but a tip that I've showed some of my friends and it's worked for them is holding 2 objects while doing the aerial. They have to be pretty small, so I chose red and green balls because it's almost Christmas. Another problem is not being able to land the aerial. One drill is popping off your hands after the cartwheel, or you can wait till the last second to put your hands down and then pop them off right away and snap your leg down.
Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just make them.
Another drill is doing a super high hurdle. By the way, there are different hurdles, but the more power you have, the easier the aerial is. Then you're going to go onto your leg into a penché for my dancers and swing your arms back as much as possible. The last drill is quickly bringing your leg down like you would in an aerial, except from a handstand. If your trouble is height, you can also try pushing off of a mat.
Everybody's listening now. We got nothing.
And hopefully you'll get your aerial. Aerials are so cool because then you get to try so many different variations like chalet aerials, standing aerials, swing through aerials, opposite aerials, TikTok aerials.
When I met you in the summer.
And even aerial walkovers, which I'm not very good at, but that's what makes an aerial such a cool skill. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video helped you get your aerial. That would make my day, and I know I'm really tired. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see. I'll see you guys next Friday.